Okay. Those that frequent sports club, you notice that there's a lot of work that's been put in to ensure that lights are in place. All the 4 masts have been cabled. There's installation of generators as we speak going on. The lights themselves at the moment are in South Africa. We should be expecting them in a week or 2. After the lights have been installed, I think by mid-May we should have them up, and we're looking at maybe when we play the NPO final is the first game that we're going to play under lights, and then we're hoping that by the time this tournament starts, the issue of lights will be a thing of the past, and we'll have lights at Harare Sports Club. It is our intention to expand them to Queens. Once we have Harare Sports Club lights up, we're likely going to be starting working on Queens to ensure also that they have lights. So the day-night cricket is on its way, and we should have the first game this year.